50 is what percent of 100? Answer is 50%. 20 plus 3 times 3 equals? Answer is 69. 100 is what percent of 400? Answer is 25%. 10:3 equals 50? Answer is 15. 50% of 60 equals? Answer is 30. A $50 item has 30% off. What is the sale price? Answer is 35. 225 is what percent of 300? Answer is 75%. A car travels 80 kilometers per hour. How far in 6 hours? Answer is 480. 4:5 equals 12? Answer is 15. 8:10 equals 24? Answer is 30. 10 plus 5 times 5 equals? Answer is 35. 160 is what percent of 400? Answer is 40%. 40 divided by 2 plus 6 times 2 equals? Answer is 32. 5 plus 7 times 2 equals? Answer is 24. 50 is what percent of 500? Answer is 10%. A car travels 60 kilometers per hour. How far in 2 hours? Answer is 120. 36 divided by 6 plus 8 times 6 equals? Answer is 54. Simplify the ratio 6 to 9. Answer is 2:3. 4:6 equals 16? Answer is 24. 108 divided by 9 plus 2 times 9 equals? Answer is 30.